linear here. In this video, I'm going to be learning how to save, which is very important in our AutoCAD. To save your drawing, we have this beautiful drawing and we want to save it. You go to your application button right here, top left, click on it, and you see various options. You see the save option here and you see the save as. So let's pick the save as. So we want to give it a brand new name. So what name do you want to give it? As you want to name it something. And when we are done, we pick the file type. You select your file type. What file type do you want? Now, the effect of the file type is the higher your file grade. If you're using, for instance, let's say 2020 is difficult for someone who is using an AutoCAD of 2018 to view all the features you're drawing. So you want to ensure that you are saving it in a file type that whoever you're collaborating with can view your drawings. So let's say we are picking AutoCAD 2018 drawing.dwg as our file type. Then you pick the destination you want it to be on your system. I could say it should just be on my desktop here. And when I'm satisfied here, I save. Another way to save as in AutoCAD is the standard way to save as. You use a Ctrl+Shift+S and it opens the window for you to save as. So you give it a name that you want it to be in. Currently, we have our something as the name of this drawing. So we can close this. Then subsequently, when you want to save your drawing, since you've given it a name, you just use Ctrl+S and it saves normally. After that, if you want to save using the quick access toolbars just above here, your top left, you can see a couple of options here. You have the print and you have the save as here. There's the option with the pencil mark. So if you click on that, it permits you to save your drawing, give it a new name. The window to edit the name of our drawing still pops up and we can save as here. So if you close this, you can just subsequently save your drawing after giving it a name by using the save option here, still in your quick access toolbar. If you cannot find it, there is a drop down right beside this. When you click on that drop down, you see various options. So whatever option is ticked is currently active. If you don't want an option to be active, you just deactivate it. For instance, if we want to deactivate the save option, just beside it there, we deactivate it and it's not checked, I can see that it has disappeared. So if we click on the drop down again and we activate the save option, it pops up again. Thank you for watching.